Hey folks, Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we're previewing the Columbus floor plan by Lennar Homes. The Columbus here is a two-story home. You're going to get just under 1,900 square foot, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, and the 2-car garage that you see there. Let's run inside and take a look at this beautiful home here. So with the Columbus here, when you walk inside, directly to our left is the stairwell leading upstairs to all of the guest bedrooms. We're going to take a look at that first. So right at the top of the stairs here, you've got this little additional loft space that can be used for, entertaining and such. Then we've got our guest bedrooms and guest bath down this way. So here's guest bedroom number 1. Guest bedroom number 2. We've got the guest bath here with the singular sink, the commode, and the combination tub and shower, as well as our laundry space here. Then just off of that, this is the last guest bedroom here, and all of the bedrooms have the same bifold style closet door setup. Last but not least, up here we have the owner's retreat. So a really nice sized room here. Plenty of room for a king-size bed. And then we've got the bathroom with the linen closet, the singular sink. You've got this huge walk-in style closet. You've got the commode here and the standalone shower as well. So that's it for the upstairs. Now we're going to head downstairs and take a look at all of your living spaces here, as well as your kitchen. So down here, first thing is we have the half bath. So you've got the singular sink as well as the commode. And then this opens up into your nice great room design here with your kitchen overlooking your dining space that would be there. And this would be your living room. You would hang your TV right over there in that area there. So nice and open design here with the kitchen overlooking the dining space. That door right there, that is the entry to your 2-car garage. And then you've got the exterior living space as well. All right, folks, so if you're interested in this home, you can reach us at all of the contact information below. We can help you find this one in one of Lennar's Southwest Florida communities. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto, and we appreciate you watching.